All right, here we go. Back on the action, ladies and gentlemen. Technical analysis for beginners. Another episode here. This time, I want to talk about the head and shoulders pattern. But just before we dive in, let me give you some background, a little bit about myself. I'm Roy Levine, founder and CEO at BulletproofTraders.com, crypto day trading membership site, and also I'm the inventor of the Precision market flow trading methodology, and also the founder of Precision.com, a crypto day trading hedge fund. So without any further ado, let's go right ahead, dive in. I want to talk about this head and shoulders pattern that we can find, from time to time in various different assets. And every time I see that pattern, I'm usually ready to take action according to the principles of that head and shoulders pattern. In this case, we're talking about a bearish head and shoulders because it's coming, as you can see. You can take a look. This is the Ripple we're looking at. Ripple, what weekly chart? There's been an explosive move ever since from November 2024, early November 2024, a massive move all the way up. So we're coming from an upside trend where the head and shoulders pattern is starting to construct itself. First, we can see the left shoulder under construction, then a large big head. The head has to be much higher than the left shoulder. Otherwise, we cannot recognize that as a legit head or a legit head and shoulders pattern. But we did have a distinctively, taller head, right? So that was the tip of the head going back down and then starting to construct the right shoulder. And at some point, the right shoulder is fully ready, where we have this head and shoulders pattern, by the way, slightly tilted upwards, right? You're not going to get that perfect head and shoulders pattern every single time. It's not going to be symmetrical, perfectly symmetrical, right? It might be tilted upwards, it might be tilted downwards. But at the end of the day, it's easy to see two shoulders and in the middle are, a tall head sticking above. Now, once the price section starts to break below the neckline, and this is the neckline that we need as a reference point. Now, the neckline is very easy to set up. What you need to make sure is that the line itself, the neckline itself, touches on both bases of shoulders. So left shoulder right here, that's the lowest low of the left shoulder after being constructed. And then this is the right shoulder, right? So we make sure to pass that line right across the base of these two shoulders. And then the breakdown is very obvious, right? Price section smashing below that neckline, and that's where we need to take action and start chasing price section on the downside. Now, where are we going to be taking this? Once we get into position, price section is breaking below the neckline. An easy measurement for potential target would be taking the head from the bottom all the way to top. Bottom of the left shoulder all the way to the top of the head, the tip of the head, right? So a measurement of 123.6 Fibonacci projection measurement from bottom to top, 123.6 will put you right here, and that's the target. That's going to be your target. That's going to be your potential target on the downside. And that's a move that we were actually involved with, and we had a lot of success here chasing the Ripple all the way down to 1.70 after measuring that height of the head and extrapolating that Fibonacci 123.6 as a target. All right, guys, so there you go. Probably the most famous head and shoulders reversal patterns, right? Head and shoulders right here on the Ripple. Hope you enjoyed that video. We're gonna see you in the next one. Take care.